Welcome to all of you at Gurpidi Education, and I am Jitendra Tyagi. Now, here is Mr. Subrat Kumar Behera with me, and I'm going to discuss about his recent interview experience. Okay, so let us start talk with Subrat Kumar. So, Subrat, first of all, you
Good
tell us
afternoon.
about your BTech background.
BTech, sir. I have completed my BTech in 2014, eh, 2014, and my CGPA was 7.72 from BCET Balasore. And
Okay,
then I prepare for GATE exam. And 2020, I secure 746 score. And again,
oh,
I take a drop because of I want to score more than 900. But unfortunately, this year I got rank of 466, and
oh,
that's
so
why.
you were planning to get 900 plus get score.
Yes, sir. That's why I dropped 1 year.
Okay, okay. So, which branch you appeared for GATE?
Electronics and communication.
Okay,
EC.
electronic and communication. Very good. So, first of all, you tell us the name of the institute and specializations up to now from where you have got interview calls.
I got from IISc Bangalore, electronic system engineering and signal processing and machine learning. There are also some other branches also, but I select only signal processing, network and control optimization, and microelectronics photonics is also there, but I did not choose that. Only I choose signal processing and machine learning,
Okay,
and except the artificial intelligence also IISc Bangalore I got, and also I got integrated circuit and system from IIT Madras,
okay, very good.
and also Texas Instrumentation sponsored course, analog and mixed VLSI design course. That's also I call. Okay, and the interview will be held on 28th, 27th, and fast to.
Okay.
Um,
So, it means as you have graduated in 2014,
Sir,
so it has been 7 years. Okay.
yes, sir.
So, after 7 years of your graduation, if you get good GATE score, then you can get interview calls from all the best institutes of India.
Yes, sir. No
Okay.
problem.
So this is one kind of motivation for such students who have uh, some gap between their studies due to some reasons.
They
That if
ask.
you
They
start
also.
and after some time also you can get interview calls, and not only get interview calls, but you can convert that into the selection also, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So, because Texas Instrument is a private company, one kind of company which is working with IIT Madras, and they are also not considering your gap. Okay, they are focusing on your GATE score, and then they are calling you. Most probably, they may select you. Okay, and after selection, you may get placements also. Okay, so gap is not a very big issue. It is issue for some companies, but not for all. If you have gap and you work hard, then you can get very good opportunities in future. Okay, Subrat is an example of that thing. So Subrat, recently today, in fact, you have gone and an interview
I
in.
see signal processing machine learning. There are
Okay,
four
okay.
to five professors in that panel.
Hmm.
Okay, and first professor, I asked me each and everything, why I drop after my diploma. I did diploma also, and why you take one more drop a year. I explain everything, and why I drop also. I explain them to everything, and
Okay,
they're told it doesn't matter. But they, also when I am answering their questions, they also saying very good, very good. That type of response I got from them, and I
okay.
also almost I answered all the questions except not except one. Also, I almost all the questions answered.
Very good, very good. So, what were the main subjects from which they were asking questions?
Actually, I choose at that time because there are four to five mathematics subjects. There's a probability theory and transform theory, linear algebra,
Hmm.
and calculus and differential calculus, complex variable. Also, I think I did not remember exactly, but I choose among them my comfort subjects. Among them are transform theory because signal system transform theory is there, and uh, and also I choose linear algebra because of sir you
Okay,
only. Because of you,
okay,
I choose linear algebra only, and
okay, okay.
sir, then they first ask me in which subject you want to. I also mention in the professor under which I want to work. They also ask me, you mention some topic you want to work for them, and why you mention, do you have a knowledge about that? I said honestly, sir, saying I don't have any knowledge, but I anyhow I like that professor's name I told. I like him. That's why I choose them. Okay, no problem. That type of response I got. That's all, sir.
So, can you tell me subject-wise questions? Like,
Subject
let us
wise,
start with signal system. So,
signal. I told them transform theory. They're starting ask me about LTI system, okay, and linearity, and how the system makes convolution, and why makes convolution, why not multiplication, and also they ask. They did not give me something, but I example them. I take a discrete input and show them how system convolved it, and 1 to 2 question I did not remember exactly. Yes, for 5 to 6 question one professor asked, and then suddenly one professor came back, and he asked me about linear algebra. Questions like from orthogonality and rank and echelon form and inverse as well as trace. These are the area they asked me, and luckily I answer all the questions. I did not expect also the questions will be from my comfort zone only.
oh, very good. And any other subject like electronic devices and
No,
circuits?
they did not ask. They only mentioned that mathematics. If you interested any, you say I want to also interest in. After if they see that you are interested in some subject also, they can ask. If you mention your project, I worked upon that. Uh, in case if your project there are some transformer related things or some electrical circuits related things, they may ask. Actually, sir, interview is I completely believe that it's a log based thing. What is written in your destiny, it is always of course it will happen. So never worried about interview, just prepare the best and wait for the thrilling outcome.
Initial knowledge works. Whatever you have in your mind already gained, that if you that comes out, then
You automatically. Actually, sir, I have prepared for a convolution question from last 2 to 3 year. I continuously prepare every time. This
okay,
question, luckily he asked me, and
okay,
I
very good.
explained completely with example, and they said very good, you're extremely good.
Okay, so from network theory, from digital electronics, any other question?
No question, only mathematics.
Only mathematics and signal system, right?
Signal system is part of transformer theory only.
Hmm.
So they, because as my specialization in electronics and communication, they
Hmm.
indirectly take me to signal and system only.
That's why I say students that mathematics is very important. It basically
Especially
for,
sir, linear algebra.
yeah,
Linear algebra, everyone everywhere asking linear algebra.
yes. So students should prepare their matrix algebra, linear algebra very well, and especially in case of IISc Bangalore, right?
Yes, sir.
So any other suggestion, any other thing you
No, sir.
want to
Only
tell
I
the
am
students?
saying that aspirants work harder as harder possible, because we don't know what is written in our destiny. We only work hard,
Yeah,
and what will be happen, that's just leave it on God. He will decide whatever in our destiny.
sure, sure.
So never worried about that.
Okay,
And at
Suraj.
last,
Yeah,
ठीक.
yeah. Say.
At last also they told me thank you 3 to 4 times, and also bye for
They
to.
were very much impressed from
And
your interview.
I think, and also said that you just upload your all the documents, so we have sent you a link. That's the end of the interview.
Okay, Subrat. So I wish you all the best for your selection.
Thank you, sir. You
And
have also a lot of contribution in this.
you will definitely get good career in future, right?
Sir, thank you.